Marina Alabao from Spain, gold Olympic medalist from London.
Yeah, when I was young.
When you was 1 year younger. Okay, Marina, tell us how was today?
Yeah, today it was a really funny day. We have good wind, but I didn't do my best. My speed was really good. But yeah, first race I finished second, that I was leading. Second race I finished 10th. I was third in the first upwind, but we had really big gas and all the air was failing, so...
Same what Zoha told us, he was crashing on the second race too, yeah?
Yeah, everybody, I think everybody fell. So it was really hard to put the sail out, failing again, because in a moment it was nobody sailing. And the third race I passed first in the first upwind, and I was afraid to have the same problem that in the second one, so I make a jibe set, and it was really bad because it was not so gusty, it was not so strong, but still better to go left, so I missed like seven positions, and I finished 8th.
Well, but still improving your position from the beginning?
Better than the first day, better than be pumping, but still a lot of things to improve.
Well, and still a long time to go before Rio.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much for the interview.
Thank you.